I'm Achilla.
I'm Chef Aio.
Welcome to Tagalog for Kids. Today we're gonna learn the Tagalog words for fruits and vegetables. Okay, let's start. First is corn. This is corn or mais. Mais. And now Chef Aio will cut it. Boom! I will make some delicious kind of recipe. This is eggplant or talong. Talong. This is a pumpkin or kalabasa. Kalabasa. This is a pear or peras. Peras. This is cabbage or repolyo. Repolyo. Strong. This is chili or sili. Sili. This is an apple or mansanas. Mansanas. This is an onion or sibuyas. Sibuyas. This is a tomato or kamatis. Kamatis. This is a strawberry or presa. Presa. This is a banana or saging. Saging. This is a watermelon or pakwan. Pakwan. Now we have two real ones because we don't have the wooden ones. This is garlic or bawang. Bawang. This is ginger or luya. Luya. So there you are. And by the way, the Tagalog of fruits is Prutas and the Tagalog of vegetables is Gulay. Fruits and vegetables, Prutas at Gulay. Prutas at Gulay. And these are all delicious or Masarap and healthy. And that's all for today. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit that notifications bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye-bye. Kila out.
This is Pakwan the watermelon. Peras or pear. Garlic or bawang. Ginger or luya. pumpkin or kalabasa, corn or mais, strawberry or Presa, eggplant or talong, cabbage or repolyo, onion or Sibuyas, chili or Sili,